I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, addition. Number 1, write the missing numbers with the help of the number line. One has been done for you. See, 2 plus 4 is 6. From 2, you will move 4 steps in right direction or forward. Okay, let's do second example. 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1, that means you will jump 1 step forward, that is 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Question number 2 is add the following. Let's add 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. Remember, we will write only 1 and 1 we will write over 8. Okay, so 8, 1 is carry actually, and 8 plus 1 is 9, right? Question number 3. 3 boys were playing a game. 2 more boys came along and joined them. How many boys were now playing game? Okay, see, 3 boys were there who were playing a game, right? Then what happened? 2 more boys joined them. Now, how many boys are there who are playing? 3 plus 2, 5. So, there were 5 boys who were playing. Okay. Number 4, Raj bought 10 pencils and Parth bought 7 pencils from a shop. How many pencils they had all together? Raj bought 10 pencils and Parth bought 7 pencils. Now, the question is, how many pencils they had together means total pencils. So, what will we do? We will add these two numbers, that is 10 pencil plus 10 pencil is equals to 17 pencils, right? Addition without regrouping or carrying. Add 41 and 57. We can show the process of addition in different forms. Okay. Number 1 is expanded form. Step 1. Arrange the number in columns, then express them in tens and ones. For example, 41. We have to arrange them in columns. We arrange them in columns and then we will express in tens and ones. 41 and 57. So, we will expand it. This is 4 tens plus 1 1. This is 5 tens plus 7 ones. Okay. Now, what is the step 2? Add ones. 7 plus 1, 8 ones. Okay. Step 3, add tens. Now, add tens. 4 plus 5, 9 tens. Okay. So, the sum of 41 and 57 is 98, right? Or you can add them as it is, like you will arrange them in columns and then you will add them, right? Okay. Now, next method is short form. First was expanded form, now second one is short form. Step 1, arrange digits of numbers in columns. Okay. Step 2, add ones. Step 3, add tens. Okay. So, the sum is here again 98, right? Using the short form, find the sums of the following. Okay. Let's do it. 6 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 2, 8. Right? This is the short form. Now, addition and subtraction. Adding 3-digit numbers. Add 123 and 212. Okay. See, this is 100s, 2 tens and 3 ones. Okay. And this is 200s, 1 and 1. 200s, 110 and 2 ones. Okay. So, now, short method. What is a short method? We will just arrange them in columns and then we will add one by one. First, we will add ones, then we will add tens, then we will add hundreds. Okay. See, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3 and 2 plus 1, 3. 335. Okay. And this is the expanded form method where we will expand these two numbers and then we will add one by one. Right. 3 plus 2, 5, 20 plus 10, 30 and 100 plus 200, 300, okay, and sum will be 335, okay. Now, let's do the following sum. First one is short method form and this is the expanded form, okay. 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 5, 9 and 2 plus 3, 5, okay. Now we'll add them. 500 plus 90 plus 9 is 599. Okay. Next, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6, 30 plus 50, 80, and 500 plus 600, 600. And the sum is 686. Okay. Next, add. Now you know how to add 3-digit numbers. You can do all these sums by yourself. Okay. Consider the following. See, 30 plus 15, or you can say 3 tens plus 15 ones, or how can we write it? 3 tens plus 1 10 plus 5 ones, because 15 ones is 1 10 plus 5 ones. Okay. Now 3 tens and 1 10 will add these two numbers. Okay. So we'll get 4 tens plus 5 ones, that is 45. Okay. That is 30 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 40 plus 5 is equals to 45, right? That means 3 tens plus 15 ones. See, 3 tens plus 15 ones. We'll write 3 tens as it is, but 15 ones we'll write it as 110 plus 5 ones. Okay. Then we'll add 10 and 10. So 4 tens plus 5 ones. Okay. That is 45. Okay. So 3 tens plus 15 ones or 4 tens plus 5 ones is equals to 45. That is 3 tens plus 15 ones is 30 plus 15, and 4 tens plus 5 ones means 40 plus 5. In both the cases, we will get the answer 45. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. 7 tens plus 13 ones. Okay. 13 ones is 110 plus 3 ones. So 7 plus 1, 8 tens and 3 ones. 2 tens plus 13 ones. 13 ones is 110 plus 3 ones. Okay, so then 210 plus 110 means 3 tens and 3 ones. Okay. Next, see, 30 plus 17 is equals to dash plus 7. What is the answer? 30 plus 17 is equals to 40 plus 7. Okay. And next, 40 plus 16 is equals to dash plus dash. What will be the answer? 40 plus 16 is equals to 50 plus 6. Okay, now you will think here is 30 plus 17. Then where did this 40 come from? Actually, 17 is 10 plus 7. We will add 30 and 10 and then we'll get 40 plus 7. Okay. Next is 50 plus 11. Let's see how to do it. 50 plus 11 is equals to dash plus 1. Okay. We can expand 11. This is 10 plus 1. Okay. Now 50 plus 10 is 60 plus 1. Okay. So similarly, all the parts will be done only by this method, right? Addition involving regrouping or carrying. Till now we have learned how to add the numbers without grouping or without carrying. Now we learn how to regroup or with carry, how to add the numbers. Okay. Add 47 and 27. First form is expanded form. So what is the step 1? Arrange the digits of numbers in columns, express them in tens and ones. 47 is 4 tens plus 7 ones, and 25 is 2 tens plus 5 ones. So first we'll add ones. Okay. 7 plus 5, 12 ones. Okay. Fine. This is the first step. Now step 2, add tens. Tens, 4 plus 2, 6 tens. Now what next? Step 3. Now we have to regroup the sum in ones column. Okay. In ones column there is a 12 ones. We will regroup this 12 ones as 110 plus 2 ones. Okay. And what would be the final answer? The final answer would be 6 plus 1 10, 7 tens plus 2 ones. That is 72. Right. Next, short form. Step 1, arrange the digit of numbers in columns. Step 1, add ones. So when we'll add ones, 7 plus 5, the sum is 12. But remember that we will write only 2 and 1 we'll write over 4 and 1 is carry. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and answer or the sum is 72. Okay. Using the short form, find the sum. Okay, now we have to find the sum. 16 plus 45. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, but we'll write only 1. We'll write 1 here. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 61 is the answer, right? Adding 3-digit numbers, carrying from ones to tens. Okay, see 437, we'll expand this number as a 400 plus 30 plus 7, and 328 is 300 plus 20 plus 8. Now we'll add a 1 by 1. We'll start from ones. Okay, 7 plus 8, 15, 30 plus 20, 50, and 400 plus 300, 700. Okay, see, now, see 700 plus 50 plus 15. We can expand 15 again. 10 plus 15. Okay, 700 plus 50. Now, we will add these two numbers. 700 plus 50 plus 10, 60 plus 5. Now, the answer is 765. Right? Or, this is the short method where we'll add 1 by 1 from starting from the ones. 8 plus 7, 15, we'll write 5 here, okay, and we'll write 1 carry here. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, and 4 plus 3 is 7, okay. Find the sum as shown above, okay. So, you have to find the sum of these two numbers. First, we will expand them, then starting from ones, we'll add them, okay. And if necessary, as in one's case, we will expand it again, right? Then we will add 70 and 10 together and the final answer will be 383, okay? Like this example, we have to solve the sum also, okay? Let's do them. We have 549 and 138, okay? First, we will expand them. 500 plus 40 plus 9. And this is 100 plus 30 plus 8, okay. Now, we will add starting from ones. 9 plus 8, 17. 40 plus 30, 70 plus 500 plus 100, 600, okay. Now, we will expand this number, okay. 600 plus 70 plus 10 plus 7, okay. Now, what will we do? We will add these two numbers, that is 70 plus 10, 80 plus 7, okay, and the sum is 687, okay. And the short method is, okay, 549, 138, okay. How to add them? 9 plus 8, 17, we'll write 1 here, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 1, 6. See, both the sum are same, okay. Now, find the sum. One has been done for you. We'll do a second one. 9 plus 6, 15. We will write 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So, 355 is the sum, right? From ones to tens and from tens to 100. See, we have to find the sum of these two numbers. Okay. Step 1, add the ones. 8 plus 7, 15, and 15 means, okay, 15 means 110 plus 5 ones. So, write 5 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens column, okay. Now, move on to step 2, add the tens. 1 plus 6 plus 9, 16, and 16 tens. How will you write it? How will you expand it? 10 tens plus 6 tens, okay. 100, or you can write 10 tens means 100, okay. 100 plus 6 tens. So, write 6 in tens place and carry 1 to the 100 columns. Step 3, add the hundreds, that is 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 8, okay. Now, let's add the numbers. 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. But we'll write 0, 1, we'll write here. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Word problems. Number 1, in a school there are 375 boys and 297 girls. How many students are studying in the school? Okay. So, how will you solve this? See, in your class, there are number of girls, there are number of boys, and how do you find the strength of the class? That is the number of students. You add number of girls and number of boys. Okay, so similarly in this case we have to find how many students are studying in that particular school. We will add the number of boys and number of girls. Okay, so number of boys 375 and number of girls 297, and we have to find out total students. Okay, we'll add both these numbers. Okay, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So there are 672 students. Okay. Number 2, in a village there are 316 women, 364 men and 187 children. How many people are there in all? Okay, so we have to find out the population of a village. So what will we do? We will add number of men, number of women, number of children. Okay, and see, this is the sum. That means there are 867 people in the village, right? Number 3, in a truck there are 534 apples, 462 oranges and 327 guavas. How many fruits are there in all? We have to find the total number of fruits. So what will we do? We will add these 3 fruits. Okay, means number of apples, number of oranges, number of guavas, and then total fruits. Okay, so we will get this answer 1323, right? Work out the following problems. Number 1, there are 3 baskets of mangoes. The first basket contains 237 mangoes, the second one has 315 mangoes, and the third has 212 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in all? See, in this question, you have given 3 baskets of mangoes, and there are some number of mangoes in one basket, in second basket, in third basket, and we have to find out the total number of mangoes. So what will we do? We will add number of mangoes which are in basket 1, which basket 2 and basket 3, right? So what will you write? Number of mangoes in first basket. Okay, how many mangoes are there? 237. Number of mangoes in second basket, 315. Okay, and number of mangoes in third basket, 212. And now total mangoes. We'll add all these 3 numbers. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14. We'll write 4, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. 764 mangoes are there in all. Right, students? I hope you have understood this chapter and keep practicing of all the exercise.